From here, the voice, you know what you do, you know. I represent for Talk Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide. Talk Black, big up yourself.
Enter. Yes, my virgin, yes. I man reach as fast as I man get their message still. See it? Wow, go on. Glad that I come still. Why for that? Me glad that I forward. Brother, today, me know about why thing with your sin. The thing ya why. So about your wifey. You know the wifey have phone up on me. With a vegetable. Veg. How you say? Then I saw your thing weak, Bridget. Till I vegetable apply themselves in a wifey garden. The veg have on him. No cucumber. Cucumber. Tabele. Be about him now. Your miss appear produce section in my hotel now. There, I'm embrace them. Yeah, them camouflage blouse and skirt outfit. I beer green them wearing now. Anyways, all your cucumber saga about. It's one day, me and I go grocery shopping. And brother, as we reach so, see us straight to the produce section. And that's the boy I hang out now. Him and embrace them. Go on talk. I'm sorry right now something. Let's go to the fish section, go buy 2 fish. Why for that? Brother, I'm telling you the why thing with it. We are in the fish section. I look fish. You mean you're in the seafood section, I look 2 snapper. Go buy 2 snapper. It's when I forward, see the same place. I feel the cucumber them. I mean, what's there now? Go to me say wait there. How long it gonna take you to pick out 2 cucumber? See boys, you don't know. All of them look good. All of them look fat and juicy. So I say herb style. I have a day for you to pick out. It's a herb style. So put me a cut eye and grab the biggest one. So why is it terrible? Her hand couldn't even hold it. So I'll drop it. But to pick it up, so I throw it over her shoulder. So I keep the shoulder move. So why is it terrible? Look when I'm saying, you know something. I don't feel say you can angle them cucumber, you know, the way you angle them. I don't think about the plant. So what? You say, hear me? There's no way you angle them cucumber the way you angle them. Look for that one there. Eh? You put the one you pick out. Make me look like picnic. You must think about the planting. What you say? I have big fight because then I go to the store. So I drop the cucumber again. Slip off her shoulder. And so you know when I'm guilty now. Them start big argument. And a drop thing. So I reach home now. Matter of fact, before we reach home, we reach the cash for the stock. Was a woman cashier. I mean I tell you, we answer the 2 of them. I look for one another. When the cucumber, I slide down the treadmill. Anyways, we reach home. I said, I talk to me. She make a salad for herself. But when I look good, she don't use the cucumber. There was no cucumber in the salad. So I said, wait. Oh, you buy such a big cucumber. Make a salad. And don't use the cucumber. She said, she's not ready to use it yet. So when I stop watch by the cucumber, looked in the fridge. I'm in certain position with shelf him dip and everything. I'm telling him quietly, say, yo, watch it, pussy. Watch it. Anyways, I leave and go work. When I come back the next day, the next morning, she had a shower. Because she get ready for go work. So I fly go to the fridge. I'm in a sick cucumber. You know what? She couldn't eat so much cucumber last night. So I find the bedroom. Better when I look good enough. Oh, so in that chair with towel over him. No cucumber. Yo, it's when I grab that.
Why?
Why for what? It's when I grab that and take up my ratchet and go say, yeah. But him head tap fly off. Go say, yeah, yeah, 2 more time. A 2 circle chop off. Same time she come to the bathroom and see me drape a cucumber. She said, Q. I said, Q. Yeah, 1 more circle. She come and take out of my hand. I said, leave. I say, y'all have nickname for him too. She said, come out of my house. I said, Q. I say, you look in my coat and find Q, chop up. Fine.
Top Block TV.
Get my dough.